So, according to CBS, more than 1,000 Americans are dying from COVID every day. Let's watch.
Tonight, more than 90,000 Americans infected with COVID are being treated in hospitals. That's the highest number since last winter. Nationwide, nearly 70% of ICU beds are filled. It's even worse in the South, where at least 90% of beds are occupied.
So I really want to be very clear about this. Yes, most of the people dying are unvaccinated, right? That is, to my understanding, the truth of the matter. How selfish do you have to be to not only propagate a disease and a virus by the fact that you are unvaccinated, but then also selfishly steal crucial intensive care unit space from people that maybe are suffering from cancer, maybe that had a heart attack, people that got into a car accident? What are you going to do if you live in Texas or Florida, Georgia, Missouri, Louisiana, and let's say you're in a domestic abuse scenario and your partner stabs you, right? And you go to the hospital and whoops, anti-vaxxer 643953 is taking up your bed in the ICU. This is a problem that has ripple effects, and this is the same problem that we dealt with last year. It's not just that Americans are dying from COVID in record numbers, but that will affect how everyone else that goes through the medical system is treated and is cared for. And when we've got a for-profit medical institution, right, people without insurance are now even far less likely to receive care. This is a problem, folks. And where's Joe Biden? Where the fuck is Joe Biden? Joe Biden declared victory and washed his hands 6 months ago. He said, all right, vaccine's out, and that was it. Where is Joe Biden? Where is the United States government? Where's Congress? The eviction moratorium was struck down by the Supreme Court. Where's Congress? Where's Joe Biden? Our hospitals are overflowing. Where's Congress? Where's Joe Biden? Where is the people? Where are the people that are supposed to be taking care of us? Where's Fauci? Where are all these people?
CBS's Lilia Luciano has more.
The pandemic rages across the U.S. tonight. More than 1,000 people are dying from COVID every day. The U.S. is now averaging 150.
I want to be very clear. I support mandatory vaccinations. Get the fucking vaccine. I got the vaccine literally a couple days after I was eligible. I got the vaccine. Why did I wait a couple days? Because I got the earliest appointment possible. The earliest appointment possible was like 3 days after I was eligible to get the vaccine. Why is everyone else waiting? If you're eligible and you're unvaccinated, I'm sorry, but I can't take you seriously. I just can't. Now, again, there are people that have certain, like immunocompromised people that have certain issues where they can't become vaccinated. The reason I am vaccinated, the reason you should be vaccinated, is for those people. Do not use those people in your anti-vaxxer bullshit. Those people are even further proof that we need to mandate vaccinations. Because if we all get vaccinated and if we end this pandemic, their risk of death is significantly lower because we've ended the pandemic. Where is Joe Biden? Where is Congress? Why has there been no national lockdown? The Delta variant is worse than the original variant that we had a lockdown for a couple weeks with. We are worse off now and getting worse than at any point in the pandemic besides maybe for winter, and that's only for a couple more weeks. Where's Joe Biden? Where's the federal government? Our state governments are failing. Republican governors are saying, yep, virus doesn't exist. Go to school. Go to work. Don't wear a mask. These people are fucking freaks. How come masks are a luxury item that I have to pay for? What? I have to pay for masks. Why? The USPS had a plan in March and April of 2020 to send reusable cloth masks to every household. I believe it was like 6 masks per house. Where's Joe Biden? Where is Joe Biden? Where is Congress? Why hasn't that plan been enacted on January 21st, 2021? The only reason that plan wasn't enacted last year is because Trump specifically stepped in and said, don't do it. Where's Joe Biden? Why don't we have free masks for everyone? Why are masks a luxury item? Why do you have to pay more for extra protection?
56,000 new daily cases. COVID-infected patients have pushed hospitalizations up 624% in 2 months.
The perfect way that people have described this as a war zone.
In Portland, Oregon, 300 National Guardsmen stepped in to help medical staff combat the rush of patients. The South is battling the worst of the Delta surge, with ICU beds rapidly running out. Florida has the nation's highest case and hospitalization rates. Not far behind, Alabama and Louisiana, with some of the lowest rates of vaccination.
The cult of capitalism, folks. The cult of capitalism tells you, go to work. Even though you will die, even though you will kill your family, go to work. Because how else are you going to stay in your home? The cult of capitalism says, can't lock down, can't provide free masks to all citizens, can't do it. The cult of capitalism says vaccines are optional. They should not be optional. They should be mandated and they should be free. Get the fucking vaccine. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. I got it. I got 2 of them. I got the Moderna and then I got the Moderna again. And I can't wait to get my 3rd dose because I want to get this shit over with. I want to go to a concert. I want to get drunk at a bar. I want to go to a restaurant, folks. Don't you? I want to go to a library. I want to go, I don't know, on a fucking train or a bus. I want to go on an airplane without fearing for my fucking life. Where is Joe Biden? That's all I can ask, is where the fuck is the federal government?